fans and followers. Let your dreams take flight for the season 2023. Follow the most beautiful pageant of Pakistan, featuring the endearing and lovable Ghanis, the adorable Honey, Kalbe Surti, Mini Pakistan, Shauke Surti, the fair and modest breed, the shining Chandni, the roaring Sherni, charismatic Ajwa, and mesmerizing Kaswa, the immense and enormous Stamp, heart-throbbing Dilruba, the naughty Penguin, the royal Queen, the spirited Mahnoor, the superior and outstanding Variety, the stubborn Thakurayan, Pyare Surti, Daryae Noor, with one purpose for the biggest event of the year, celebrating Surti cattle's undefeated victories. Alhamdulillah, we don't follow trends. Instead, we are trendsetters.